So it is what day is it today? May 17th?
Maybe.
It's is it? Yeah, 17th. Today, 17th of May. And look at it. Stormy outside. Stormy outside. You can see it's freaking raining outside. It's raining sunshine. No, it isn't. It's rain. Oh, water! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm getting wet. It's in my face! It's raining sideways!
I'm not walking in the
It's raining sideways! It's going this way! It's like...
Yeah, I'm not walking in the Kayla's yet.
You're walking the Kayla's! Walk with me! I can walk with the Kayla's! Yeah... It's raining sideways! Oh, now it's raining the other way! Oh my goodness, look at the clouds. It's like... Whoa, whoa. Ah! Oh, it's a black car. Black car. Oh, look at the wood! Mom, you know the wood over Lynette's? It's like getting rained on. Oh! Cool, I'm getting wet! I'm a moron. I don't know why I'm saying that. Oh, buddy! You see the rain a little bit? I know you can't see it. You can see a little bit of rain and the green. It's like, it's raining like a waterfall outside. Oh, I'm getting rained on. See, look at the water. Oh, get out of here. Thunder! There's like a waterfall here. Look at that. It's like, well, that's all I can tell you guys. That May 17th is Friday, and all my seniors are my friends. They're seniors that graduating. I'm so sad. And I'm the only freaking junior that actually graduated. It's raining! It's raining sunshine! Hey, I'm gonna leave because it's raining and I'm bored and there's a birdie. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm getting wet! Oh, birdie's got wet. Oh! Rain! You know, I'm a cat. I don't like getting wet on such. Oh! Getting wet. Getting wet. Oh my god. Rain. Was that hail? Oh, no, it's rain. No, it's rain. I'm really laughing at this hail. Oh my god, it's raining deep outside. Let's go inside now. Here's on. Oh. Hold on, what? No, I'm making this video, so... Oh, what the heck? Hi, you killed a bug. What a bug did you...
That mosquito.
Oh, no wonder I'm itchy for some reason.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Shit. Shit, what? Oh, shit, what? A baseball bat!
Baseball, not baseball bat.
I don't know, I'm going insane right now. Baseball bat.
Let your hairbrush outside.
Make a difference outside. Oh, look at the rain. Oh, You're getting wet outside. You're getting wet outside. Why is her towel outside? Why are you getting wet? I'm done with this video.